Alright guys, this is Groove Lord OT. We thank God for such another day, and I always say it's just by His grace, His mercy. He's the Lord of Lords, the King of Kings. No one can compete with Him. Jesus, Master Jesus, God, we thank you this morning. So this is another lesson on how to do or how to play the circle of fourth. I mean, you have to understand the circle of fourth, and this one is going to help you to know your fretboard very well. So without C, yes, C, you come to F, C, F, B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat. So let's do this one. After that, I'll add more so that we come back to our main root. That's the C. So we start from C. C, F, F, B flat, B flat, E flat. So after B flat, we're going to E flat. So B flat, E flat, E flat, A flat, A flat, D flat, D flat, G flat, G flat. Do you get it? Let's take it for the last time again. F, B flat, B flat, E flat, A flat, A flat, D flat, D flat, G flat. Now you see we did and we ended at our G flat. Okay, now we have to do something so that we come and end at our main root again. That's the C. Do you get it? That's the C. The circle of fourth is what? C, F, B flat, E flat, A flat. Do you get it? A flat, D flat, G flat. Do you get it? Now we have to do something, or we have to add more of the circle of fourth. Make sure that we end at our C. Now, before we add the more notes, there is this thing you have to know. That's the what? This. Hope you can see that. It's what? B, E, A, D, J. Put this one in your mind. If you recognize this one, you can see that if you take the B, it's the flat, B flat. If you take E, E flat. If you take A flat. Do you get it? If you take D, D flat. If you take G, it's what? G flat. So if you put these ones in your head, you are free to go. And what you have to put in your mind is that we start from what? C. After C, you come to F, and this one what? Follow. Do you get it? So you can see that we have our first one, which is what? C, F, C, F. Do you get it? C, F, and the B will continue. B, E, A, D, G. It will continue. So you have C, F, C, F. From F, where am I supposed to go? I'm going to B flat. After B flat, I'm going to E flat. After E flat, I'm going to A flat, D flat, G flat. Do you get it? After I end here, I'll add the other one to that's the B. B. From you, where am I supposed to go? I'm going to what? E. A, D, G, and back to my C. I'm done. Hope you get it. So if I've break them into two parts. You get it? The first part contains the flat keys in there, and the second one does not contains any flat in there. Now the first part goes like this: C, F, B flat, the first part too, E flat, A flat, D flat, D, you get it? G flat. So it ends over here. So the first part goes C, F, B flat, C, F, B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat. After I'm done with this first one, I'll come and play the other one too. That's the what? B, hope you get B, E. But if I play this E, I can't continue. So I can come and play the E here. E, A, and B. Hope you get it. Very simple. So if I combine all the circle of fourth, it will go like C, F, B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, half endo, B, E, E, A, D, G, C. Hope you get it. Very, very simple. Let's take it for the last time and we end it. So the circle of fourth starts from C, C, F, B flat, D, E flat, sorry, A flat, D flat, G flat. Now second verse, C, B, E, A. So E, you're going to what? A, D, G, and C. Hope you get it. So let's take it for the last time and we are done. So C, F, B flat, E flat, A flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, G flat. And I'm starting the second verse. B, B, B. This is the second verse. It starts from B. The second one starts from B. So E, E, A, A, D, G, and D. Hope you get it. So just remember that the circle of fourth is something you have to practice with it, and it's not difficult. Just memorize them, put it in your head. So you know that you start from what? C, F. Do you get it? C, F, and I'll put that words over there. B, E, A, D, G. And the first part, I'm going to flat this B, E, A, D, G. I'm going to flat all. Why? Because I told you that the circle of fourth, you are finding for only the keys with flats. So I'm flattening all the B, E, A, D, G. I'll flat all those ones. Do you get it? But when I come to the second part, that's when I've ended at what? G flat. I'll start with what? B, I'll come to E, I'll come to A, I'll come to D, and I'll come back to G. Hope you get it. So it starts at what? C, F, C, F. That one they separate. After I come to what? B flat, E flat, D, A flat, D flat, G flat. After you have G flat, you start again. B, E, A, D, G, and you come back to your C back again. Hope you get it. It's not difficult. It's not difficult. Like it's not. It's never difficult. So you start again like this. You have C, F, B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat. Now I'm starting with the second part. That's B, E, A, D, G, and back to your C, and you start back again. Very simple. Very, very simple. So please make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Groove Lord OT. See you in the next video. Bye bye.